revisions that are coming out. The market's giving back some of those gains, but that was some very, very, very interesting data and basically a very interesting reaction to the data so far. But I mean, if we can hold up here a little, whoa, YouTube on the ball today, coming over, getting the feed in here quick. Welcome, 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 everybody. Everybody say good morning to each other. I'd love to say hi, see who's in here. If you guys are new to the stream, let me know. I'd love to welcome you guys to the group over here. We've got a very, as Daily Taylor says, never mind. We have a very good group over here. Living the dream. There we go, guys. Happy Friday. I mean, what do you guys want me to say at this point? You know what? I am a little bit disappointed in me selling crowd too early. But other than that, I mean, we're looking great across the board. Salesforce up $2.30 in the pre-market here. We got Palo Alto at $3.73 in the pre-market, up about $6, looking really good there. We got Ulta, not really showing anything here, but this thing's probably going to have another decent day if the market can hold up. ES is kind of selling back off here, so we're going to need this thing to hold in order for us to really, really, really crank it on the swings here. But we will see. Oh, we got a lot of y'all, a lot of you guys in here this morning. Cootie, All Function, No Style, Bipolar, Brosio, Pepe, Angel, Ragnar, Daily Taylor, Dr. Bob, Tor, J-Time, Wayne, Rogue Civilian, and Gerald. Good morning, everybody. Again, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithms over here. Costs you nothing to do it. Helps me out a whole lot. We're live every single freaking day. Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. Again, this is probably, I mean, I wouldn't even say probably. This is the best place to come for trading and finance and macroeconomic talk. There's not many, I would say 0 people out there that are going to be doing what we're doing over here. So, you guys in the right spot. Let's have some fun. I mean, I grabbed some SPX hedges yesterday at the close just in case, like the CPI revisions came out hot. Those are going to be 0. This one, crank it, stop. Yeah, those are gonna be 0, but hopefully we can get some juice out of the swings here. Salesforce is looking real spicy. Palo Alto, we'll see what happens. If it gets some juice above here, I mean, I want to see 381. Telly was looking okay at one point. If you throw this on the 15-minute time frame, got a nice little pop off of the data and then sold right back off. So yields tanked and then basically got bought right back up there. So what time's the data release? It already happened. Snow? Yeah, did you guys take Snow? Because I know some of you guys did. I didn't like it just because of the way that the premiums were priced, but that was another gem that I gave you guys. Oh, yeah, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, what are we doing here? What are we doing here? The universe gives, the universe takes. Me, I only give you guys the best trades in the world. So, yeah, I mean, this one's nasty here. What else do you want me to say? You paper traded the overnight strategy and did $1,200. Oh, the overnight strategy crushed it today too. Yeah, the overnight strategy was ridiculous. There was employment data earlier. Employment data? No, I don't think so. It was just CPI seasonal revisions. Salesforce looking good. And then if you guys are still in crowd, so Snow, another one I called out for you guys. I just didn't like the premiums. That was more a shares trade there for you guys. If you guys were in that, I mean, you crushed it. Crowd was another one that we called out. This was from the Swing Kings watch list from that. There's your target right there. So that's TP1 on crowd is going to hit at open here. So those of you guys that are still in crowd, there you go. Easy money. I mean, the Swing Kings course, the jobless claims was Thursday. Daily Taylor. Thursday. Today's Friday. And then what else? So that was really the main watch from the list that I send all you guys in the Swing Kings course this week. This one, absolute gem. I made a little money on it, but I kind of screwed up the trade management there. That's fine because I have all those other trades. The Palo Altos, I didn't realize this. They're actually free. The Palo Alto's free. I can do whatever I want with that. I'm probably just going to let this thing ride. Mara, yeah, so here's the problem with Mara here. That the reason why I wouldn't take it, this consolidation range, this is a complete invalidation, and then it comes back to the upside. That is not something that I would touch, but, I mean, again, Wayne, I am happy that you are making money. Let's see. Yeah, Mara's looking good, and then, what else we got? So we have Palo Alto, Salesforce. I mean, every single thing that we've called out this week that, like, we're in has printed. Palo Alto, Ulta, Salesforce is doing well, CrowdStrike, and Snow. That's 5 trades for you guys that you guys got. 5. There you go. Easy money. Easy money, man. Just TLT is being a little a-hole. Let's see. Where's ES? I mean, it's coming back down into this range here after that giant can. See, here's the problem with this. I don't know if we're going to be able to get a day trade today. We might. I mean, if we trickle back up in here, I would not be opposed. I just don't like it on the data candle, you know? Palantir's over 25. There we go. Long term's looking good, baby. What's AMD doing this morning? How are we looking over there? 65 cents. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy on that bad boy. What do you guys do? Oh, it's Super Bowl Sunday this weekend too. Roku hit your first TP yesterday, stops in profit. Yeah, let's take a look at that Roku trade. That was another one that you would go shares on. So you're playing the break around here. You're targeting probably here. Is that what it is? So you did this basically. You went break here, stop below this low, and you targeted. It's a little tight. That's 1 to 8. I mean, I don't have a problem with that. It's basically a 1 to 2. I don't have a big problem with that. It's just there's not as much meat on the bone there, you know? That was one of the other reasons why I didn't like Roku as much, but that's kind of the trade there. So that's first TP. We can kind of draw that out. I mean, then you could just do like second TP way up here. So you would look for something like this. I mean, yeah, that's not a bad spot to go scale out, stops to break even, and let this thing run. TP was 98. 98. Why was it 98? Where's 98? I mean, that's good. So what was your risk to reward there? 1 to 2.5. That's not bad. You hit it, but this. Oh, perfect. Oh, Angel, perfect. That's perfect right there, dude. Good for you. That's exactly what I want to see out of you guys there. I mean, yeah, you actually could have squeezed a little bit more out of it, but that's fine. That is perfect right there. Execution. You got this level right here. Your entry's down in here. Boom. So you hit like a nice little 1 to, what was it, 2.5 or something? Yeah, 1 to 2.5, and now you're hunting for the final 1 to 6. You're still rooting for the Lions to win the Super Bowl? I don't know if you're going to get that, pal. We need, what's his name? Brock Purdy to come and save us. Yeah, you saw it? Angel, good for you, dude. That's a great trade. That's a great trade. And I think the snow, what were we looking at on snow for that TP there? Do I even have this drawn out? This is a weird one. I don't know where I'd put this. You actually, so here's the deal with snow. Like, you legitimately could have done this. So yesterday was the break. So, oh my God, the risk to reward on this one is absolutely insane. So you're playing this break. I got to zoom in on this thing. So you're playing this break. Your stop is literally just below this low here. It's like $1.90 stop. And you have full right to go all the way up here and hunt this for your first TP. It's a little far. But that's a 1 to 14. That's a 1 to 14. Oh, man. I mean, well, if it's to here, I mean, it's going to open at a 1 to 5. So you guys are good to go. Do you guys see how nasty these trades are and the strategy from, like, the swing trading course and the day trading mastery courses? Like, I hope you guys understand just how dirty these things are. Salesforce doing on it. Are we coming back down? I want to see what Ulta wants to do today. And kind of see where we want to go from there. Your first for snow was around 2:30. Yeah, that's fine. It's an amazing thing. It is an amazing thing, dude. I mean, you guys have, like, everything that you need right now in those courses to have success forever. Specifically, I mean, the day trading course, yes, that's just gonna print over time. But the swing trading one is just so ridiculous. Like, you guys see, 5 trades this week are just going absolutely ballistic. It's epic, dude. So, I want to see, since the Palo Altos are free, I'm hunting 381 on Palo Alto. Salesforce, I'm hunting 300. Ulta is kind of an interesting one. It's like 530 or 537 is kind of what I'm looking at next. Right around those areas there on Ulta. So simple, so objective, no guesswork involved. Exactly, Tor. Exactly, buddy. Yeah, and again, I can mention it here. You guys know the deal. You guys get 50% off. You get buy one, get one free to the Day Trading Mastery course and the Swing Trading course. Make sure you guys are spending this weekend going through those lessons. And if you have any questions, just message me. I will be around. But there's been some confusion. They're like, is it 50% off the price that it is? It's like, no. When you go onto that link right there, it's going to show the day trading course and the price for it, the swing trading course and the price for that. And then there's the one in the middle that says all in one. That's basically the same price as the other one. So it's 50% off, or you could say it's buy one, get one free. But again, the day trading mastery course strategy, 14 winning months in a row right now. The swing trading stuff, I mean, what else do you guys want to see? Every one hits. The win rate with these swings has been like, it's got to be 75%. I got to track them. I got to start tracking them. It's ridiculous. We've been on fire. You thought it was pretty straightforward? Thank you, Daily Taylor. Appreciate that, buddy. I want Salesforce to have a day. That's really what I want. I want Salesforce or, I mean, Palo Alto, sure. Or Ulta. Just one of them have a day here. And we're good to go. You forgot to use the coupon code on the day trading one? Pepe. Well, I can still send you... Pepe, you know what? Just because I know you, if you message me and you want the swing trading course, I'll give you the 60% off code for that one. How about that? Even though you're a dum-dum for forgetting to use the day trading course coupon for 30% off, which is STV30. Pepe. You silly goose. Well, we got bought up there. All right, how much time we got left? 19 minutes to go. Here we go. Yeah, Angel. Wait, so did you didn't pay attention and you paid the premium? You have both? Oh, sweet. So Angel, were you able to get out pre-market this morning at 2:30 on snow? And then move your stop on the shares? Because at that point, you've locked in 1.5% on your account, I think. I mean, it depends on what you were risking. Like shares, you can go for it a little. Like 1 to 3-ish. But like, you see how nice it is? It's just like, you have your entry, you have your stop, you have your limit orders. It's basically like trading futures, day trading futures. You're like, okay, well, once my orders are set, I don't have to do anything. I just wait. It hits or it doesn't. But most of them hit, so. Mm-hmm. 18 minutes to go here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what the market wants to do today. Good morning, all. What's up, Nick? How you doing, man? All right. I mean, we're cruising. We are cruising. I want. Whoa. Hi, Telly. Good morning. Telly getting a little action here. Not yet. Interesting. Do you have a good till canceled order on it? Because that should stay. Because you should be able to get out in the pre-market if you have a good till canceled order, because it just sits there. It's GTC. So if it hits in the pre-market, you're out and you're good. But if not, I mean, you'll probably still hit it today in market hours. 2:30. What is it? 2:30 or 3:30 on snow? Either way, it's a gem. What is it? Is it 2:30 or 3:30? I think it's 3:30, isn't it? Oh, 2:30. Yeah, I mean, you can do it now if you wanted to. What is this? I mean, you hit a 1 to 8, or sorry, 1 to almost 6 risk to reward here for the first take profit on snow. Like, that's disgusting. That's vile. Your first TP is a 1 to 6. That means you can now go risk-free and lock in 3% on your account if you sell half of it. If you were risking 1%. If you risk 2, you can lock in 6. That's insane, man. That's ridiculous. Great work, ladies and gentlemen. Great work. All right, I got to make sure I don't make any more Kool-Aid jokes today about, like, drinking the Kool-Aid with all, like, the other nonsense out there in social media. Because, you know, we have our jug here, which is not going to help, because then I'm drinking the Kool-Aid. All right, let's see. You got an order ready? All right, that's fine. That is fine. Oh, it's a Friday. I'm so excited. Fridays are always fun. China market closed in limited data today. Why is it closed? Oh, is it like Chinese New Year or something? Is that when it starts? Because they do like that whole month of like activities and the whole system. It doesn't like shut down, but like there's a lot less going on. Let's see here. 15 minutes to go. Oh, we got to go through a couple of the CPI numbers. We didn't do that. Hold on. Hold on. Let me find it. Where is it? Here it is. U.S. December CPI revised a 0.2% versus the previous of 0.3, so it was revised down. U.S. December CPI excluding food and energy, so core, is what was unchanged at 0.3%. U.S. CPI revisions reflect new seasonal adjustment factors. S&P 500 index rises 0.3% to market high. U.S. revised Q4 core CPI is unchanged at 3.3% annualized. Yeah, so it's unchanged, and then headline was revised down. Yeah, Chinese New Year. Morning, SCV and gang. Good morning, Christopher. Didn't have extended hours on. That was on you. For, like, your chart or trading? Because, like, if you put a good till canceled order in there, it should stay and execute. But, all right, guys. Keep slapping that like button on the way in. It helps out a whole lot here. It costs you nothing to do it. Again, we hit that 100-like threshold today. If you guys do hit 100 likes today, I'll probably stream for a little longer. If that's cool with you guys, that's probably what we'll end up doing. Ulta sort of surprised me with yesterday's sell-off right before close. It sold off right before close? Oh, a little bit, yeah. That's fine. I mean, Ulta's a wild child. Like, you got to be careful with it. Like, it's going to wick around all over the place. Like, if you guys saw... All right, so here's what happened on Ulta yesterday. This candle is where I got one of my sell orders executed. Why does the Fed revise CPI data? Because they're liars. No, they just like they can just be like, oh, we're wrong. We have more data coming in. They're gonna look at new factors, things like that. Like, it's a bunch of nonsense. But so this was the candle that I actually got one of my. I told you guys on the stream I had a pretty wild limit order set on Ulta, and if it hits, it hits. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So this candle triggered it, but then it sold right back off. Do I care? No, I'm out. I'm out at the highs. So then we kind of ran back up to the highs, and the position was still not even really getting up to where I sold those contracts at. So I've made it free on Ulta. Oh, Ulta's free too. So Palo Alto and Ulta are free. The only thing that I have not made free with profits is Salesforce. That's it. But that one could be a gem. And then the sizes of the other positions too are still relatively good. Any plans for the weekend? Yeah, tonight we're doing something for one of our friends' birthdays. I don't know what she wants to do, but we're going to do that. Tomorrow, we might be doing a pregame, and then some of my friends from the club might be coming through. That would be really fun. See them again. And then Sunday, Super Bowl. So, you know, going to be Super Bowling. No drinking, though, still, until St. Patrick's Day. Dude, all right. I mean, I always say that I keep myself about, like, 1 month away from being in, like, pretty ridiculous shape. That's pretty much the case. Like, I'm about a month in to, like, my 75 hard, and I'm like, all right, I'm doing pretty good. You know what I keep doing, though? I didn't wake up early this morning to go to the gym. Well, I kind of did. Well, I woke up early, but I couldn't sleep into my alarm because I'm so used to waking up at, like, 6 a.m. now. And, like, I keep messing up my chest when I work it. Like, I'll literally go in, and then I'm the king of, like, mildly completely screwing up my chest, but, like, not actually hurting it. The dollar on the daily. Dixie's gonna move weird, dude. It's just gonna move strange. Like, it's... Why haven't we been swinging the dollar? Dude, the dollar is just setting up perfect. This looks like RKT. Boom, consolidate. Boom, consolidate. Boom, consolidate. Look at RKT. This is the exact chart. Look, watch. Boom. Boom, consolidate. Boom, consolidate. Boom, consolidate. Oh, wait, you guys got it. Oh, this is some mastermind stuff over here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I'm giving you guys some sneak peeks. No, I'm just kidding. It's just circles. I think this is supposed to be Pan W. All right, Palo Alto looking good. Salesforce looking all right. Yeah, what are you guys doing this weekend, though? Any big plans for the Super Bowl? Nobody do anything stupid. Also, I think I put too much of this stuff in here, and it's going to, like, stain my face. It was an accident last night. I did it in the dark. And now I think I'm going to have, like, red, red stains on my face. Yeah, I was kind of sitting this week and I was like, I kind of want to just like drink a bunch of this tequila, but like, it's fine. I'll just I need to keep it going, man. Dollar rising, equities rise too. Yeah, it's a bit weird. Yeah, but also you would say bonds, like, the relationships between the dollar, bonds, and equities has been very strange over the last year and a half. Swinging party? No, we're not having a swinging party, all right? I'll send you guys your list, and then you're good. AMC thoughts other than it being a dumpster fire? No, it's dumpster fire. Complete disaster. I tried to warn all you guys, and then people were sending me death threats, and look what happened. It's that thing's been done since I called it done. When it was at the equivalent of 180 right now. It's at freaking $4, dude. Earning them wings? What do you mean? I might have a stain fit. I said, no. Stop, Pepe. You are all looking real good, man. I mean, again, we've been so locked in on the swings over the last, 4 months? We've just been sharp shooting. So, you guys know where to go, though. You guys know where to go to find that. Telly's acting a little strange. ES coming down into open here. I mean, we do have some of our other things hanging out in the green here. We got Palo Alto looking good. We got Salesforce looking pretty good. Those are the two that I think could have some really good potential today. Ulta's going to be a tricky one because it could just shoot, which it does, and then sell back off. It's free, though, for me now, so I'll probably hold that into next week and just not care about it. I see your brain spinning there. Yeah, exactly. Like, it's weird, Ralph. What are your views on Palo Alto? Well, I've made that position free with some profit. I'm hunting 381 in order to do anything further with it. So, we already blasted this one. I think this was what? Was this Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday we got our nice entry here. It was a tricky one. Same deal with Crowd. So Crowd and Palo Alto were the two that had a little bit tricky entries. This one I'm still holding, made it free. Crowd, I scaled out, realized some profits on it, and then basically sold it at break even yesterday. What is the general correlation with the dollar and equities? Dollar up, equities down, dollar down, equities up. Bond market is disjointed as well. It is, which is a bit strange, but you can almost, like, at this point, you almost have to think of them as their own separate markets because they're, like, the equity market is going to just start, like, pricing in rate cuts still, but the equity market doesn't necessarily care when it's going to happen. They just know that it is, so it's going to come back to the upside. The bond market does care because there's a lot of different, durations of these bonds, and that's going to get reflected in the entire bond market as a whole. So if you start to see, which we saw, everybody pricing in March cuts, well, people are going to then fly into those positions. Well, when that gets unpriced out of the market, you're going to see a lot of people getting out of those positions or repositioning themselves. So that's why I would say that the bond market's a little bit more tricky right now than the equity market, because the equity market, it doesn't really care about when, it just knows that it is going to happen. So once Powell came out in, I think it was the November meeting, and he was like, well, yeah, we're pretty much done raising rates. Like, we're probably at peak, and we're good to go. The Rumble train, I mean, I mapped out a trade for you guys on that one right here. Are you at TP yet? I think you... Nah, I mean, the take profit there was like... It's like 850 on this one. It's just a weird one. It's too volatile for me to want to go anywhere near it. Let's see. I think I own Rumble. I don't know, though. I'd have to check. I thought I did, but I may not. All right, let's get Palo Alto up here. What do we got? 5 minutes to go until the ding-ding here, team. All right, lady. Whoa, you guys, dude, we're over 50 likes already, and the market hasn't even opened yet. Jeez, man. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. We might hit that 100 like threshold really quick today. Thank you. All right, let's make some freaking money today, huh? I would like to see where Ulta opens. If it's like 526, something like that, I mean, it could jump. ES is not helping itself. ES is flat now. If they want to nuke this thing, maybe my freaking my put hedgers go crazy. I doubt it though, but we'll see. I'm just gonna leave them. I'm not gonna get out of them. We're just gonna leave those be. China cancels Argentina friendly football match. It's breaking news. Let's see. All right, team. We got a lot of people in here today. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Anybody that's new, let me know. I'd love to say hi. You found the right place, man. Telly's just being an asshole. Sorry for the language. It's just being an a-hole right now. Yeah, these things are getting touched down a little with this little sell-off that we're seeing after that pop. This needed to hold up here for us to really have some fun, but it does give us some room to rally back to the upside. Now, here's what I would not do. I would not look for a day trade using this as the high. Unless we see price trickle back up in here and then start to sell off, then I don't like using data candles. New here, Green Guy. Well, everybody, I want you to give a nice warm welcome to Green Guy. Everybody, don't be weird. Be nice. Not super new. Been lurking for about a year or so. Welcome back, buddy. Welcome. Yeah, so 381-ish on Palo Alto. 380, 381, and then Ulta is I'm probably just going to let that one ride, see if I can hit 537 on it. Let's see. Chris, welcome back, buddy. Telly, a-hole. I better see more messages welcoming Green Guy. We're nice here. There we go. There we go. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. All right. 3 minutes to go until the ding ding. That's what we got. We got 3 minutes here. Dude, we're at 71 likes already? What the heck is going on? You guys are nuts. You guys are nuts. Thank you. All right, let's have a great day, man. And remember, both those courses, if you guys are struggling in the market and want like proven strategies in order to start having success, the Day Trading Mastery course, the strategy that I give you that has 14 winning months in a row, we talk about everything: futures, risk management, psychology, options, exactly everything you need to know. And I go even further. I show you guys every single trade that was taken with it in the year 2023. So you guys get to see everything. Now, the other one, the swing trading course, is where all of these multi-100 and sometimes even 1,000% gains are coming from. That one is nasty too. So we're running this little sale here, 50% off. Again, it's buy one, get one free if you guys are interested in that. I mean, if you want to just see kind of what the people are saying about it, I know a lot of you guys are coming over from Instagram. Just look at that testimonials area. You guys have been, I've never seen you guys kill it like this, ever. Like, seriously. It's ridiculous the amount of gains that you guys are making. Like, one day trade with the day trading like strategy, you guys are like, dude, I made back like 5 times the amount. And I'm like, yeah, that's how that works. Somebody was making like 200 grand on the AMD swings. Like, those were ridiculous. STV's crack pipe. Oh boy. Oh boy. I did miss you. I did miss you. All right, less than a minute to go here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get out. Oh, yes, really? Really? You're going to be doing that nonsense going into market open here? You really had to give it up. You really had to do that. Come on. Let's see what we get, though. If those other names are going to hold strong, oh, we could have some fun if this thing wants to get a bounce. I would guess that the market's trying to open below SPX 5000, that's my guess. Ulta up a little here, 521. Salesforce spiking, I love that. 56% on the Salesforce, they're flickering. 128% on the Ultas. The Palo Altos are back up 110%. We are looking good, ladies and gentlemen. So let's see. Yeah, I'm going to leave the SPX hedges just because. Just for fun. Salesforce got hit right back down. Same deal with Palo Alto. Ulta, same deal as well. So let's see. The Ultas are still up 100% though. That's spready though, so we got to watch out on that. Come on, Salesforce. Do something good today for us. Palo Alto, we're going to need some juice out of you here. I'd love you to get above 374. That was what you were showing in the pre-market. Ulta, that's fine. I mean, it's going to flash around here. ES coming down to that BJT level. We got to see what it wants to do. Take-Two took a hit on earnings. Yeah, that was one. I mean, you wouldn't have held this through earnings, but oh, God. I mean, you ended up hitting that. You got stopped out there, but all right, that was. Forgot about that one. I was never in this one, but this was a decent one. Wow, they got slapped on earnings, dude. Yeah, here comes Salesforce back up. That's what we want to see. 300 on the Salesforce is the target. That's what we're looking for. So, see, we get. I want these SPXs to go to like 0 as fast as they can, like rip, and then so everything else can get a boost. And then I know you guys are looking at Snow. Where's that? Like, oh yeah, you got. All right, where's Angel? Angel, you're about to hit your, or it looks like you're about to hit your spot there on Snow. You should have had that order for the pre-market, but it's fine. You're $1 away. Where's Ulta? That bounce back up? Nope. Those are free, though, so you can do whatever you want with that. Salesforce looking good. Where's Palo Alto? I want Palo Alto above like 374. Yeah, it's coming back up. Easy money! Thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Let's see. Watching AMD on the daily. I'm not, but I can. You got it? Oh, you got it in pre-market? Oh, there you go, Angel. No, I'm not watching AMD on the daily here. No, I don't like that. Come on, Salesforce. Get going. Get going. BetMGM and X signed sports betting partnership. Oh, that's interesting. That's very interesting. I think that's decent for Elon there. All right. Yeah, so the Palo Altos are up 106%. That's good. Salesforce is 51. The Ultas are sitting up 80. That's not bad, man. That is not bad at all. Good morning. What's up, Tyler? How you doing, pal? Yeah, you're kind of retesting this 18 area on Ulta here. I just have next week contracts. They're free. I can do whatever the heck I want with them. If it wants to rip, it wants to rip. So I'm probably going to end up doing this. I'm not going to be hunting that further target because I don't have enough time on them. So we're going to be looking for this right here. So it's about what? 1 to 5.7? Oh, that's not bad. Palo Alto, Salesforce. Here we go. AMC is up 102%. It is? Really? Ralph. Screw you, Ralph. I was like, there's no way. Scaling out of Mara at 270%. Guys, you guys have been in here for a while. Wayne has finally found his way. I absolutely love to see it. Dude, like, I can't, like, I know a lot of you guys were struggling for just, like, so long. And then finally being able to take advantage of, like, these great moves in the market with the stuff that I'm teaching you in those courses. Dude, that's exactly what we want. Congratulations, Wayne. That is awesome. That is awesome, guys. You love the delay on messages? I don't. Not a fan of it. All right, let's see. Yeah, it's getting a little slippery over here on Palo Alto, and Salesforce is fine, but the only thing that's not free is the Salesforce. Everything else is free. So I really only care about Salesforce now. That's it. Thanks. No problem, buddy. And again, you guys know, you guys got that 50% off deal to both the courses right now. That's going to end at the end of the month. So make sure you guys are hopping in there before it is too late, because I'm going to be focusing all my energy on the mastermind folks in March. And remember, if you guys are in those courses before we drop the mastermind, you're getting a discount, first access. There's already 4,600 people on the overall list of like people who want to come into the mastermind, and I'm only picking 100 to 150 people. So it is first come, first serve. Let's see. Ulta bouncing a little there. CLSK is running, so is Merit. I believe CLSK had earnings. Etsy's trying. Etsy would be a shares trade. What do you mean by free? So the positions went up over 100%. So I sold a little bit more than half of it, got my initial investment back and some profit. So now I'm just playing with house money. I don't care what happens. The only thing that's at risk right now is just further profits on Ulta and Palo Alto. Shoot the moon. Hope you're doing good too, buddy. You hate when there's wicks like this on ES since you can't draw the ranges on them. Yeah, days like this are usually ones that I'm like, yeah, whatever. Pick me. Oh, first come, first serve. No. All you guys that are already in the courses are going to get first access to it and a discount. So, I mean, if you guys take all the spots, you take all the spots. Salesforce. Really? Really, bro? The Palo Altos are up nice. 115% there. The Salesforces are up 31. The Ultas are up 54. Thank you. No problem, Macy. No problem, buddy. I really don't want to look at crowd, but I kind of want to. This is gonna make me sad. But I know you guys, some of you guys are in it, because this was one from the list last week. Dude, I'm not perfect. But I had 330 calls that expired next week. That is just, I did this twice this week. Even though we still crushed it with all the other ones, like I did this twice. Is Nvidia gonna be a good trade? Probably not, no. I don't really like this. This is not something I would touch. Here I would have. Not here, though. It doesn't make sense. All right, let's get Ulta and Palo Alto back on here. Like, those two are free. I can do whatever I want. Gap up on what? Etsy? Damn, we're almost at 100 likes already. We are! Oh my god, team! Welcome, 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 everybody. We should do a live call format on stream. I think that would be fun. Maybe we could do that one day. You guys call in, we have some fun. Thank you, no problem. Yeah, it doesn't fit. I mean, could it do what you want it to do? Sure. I just have tunnel vision. Like, I don't look for anything else that doesn't meet my setup, guys. Do you know why? The thing, I mean, obviously you guys have seen it from like what I teach you in the courses, but like everything works so well. Why would I ever look at anything else? Logically speaking, I'm only looking at what I know works. If it doesn't fit that, if it doesn't fit, you must have quit. 123% on the Palo Altos. The Salesforces are being annoying at 29. And the Ulta's up 64. Too bad the ankle threshold is risen. Yeah, the ankle threshold is 500 likes now. Actually, no, it's 250. The ankle threshold is 250 now. Bardistas, welcome back, buddy. Yeah, you missed a lot. Ulta's being an a-hole. Tally's not helping us out. You miss hearing winning loser stories? I mean, so do I, but I also don't, you know? They're a bit aggressive. They're a bit aggressive. What levels am I watching on Palantir? None. I'm not watching anything on Palantir right now. Unless this thing wants to... Oops, hold on. None. I don't want anything on it. Wait, hold on. Where is it? What am I... Nothing. I'm watching 0 on this. Remember, I already drilled this with the post-earning strategy and made it free, sold the rest of them at 200%. I'm done. I could care less about what it does now because it's not... Unless it consolidates from here, it's not going to fit my setup, so I don't look at it. Simple as that. Some of you guys are going to get frustrated by this, but that same frustration that you're going to have for me is the same exact reason why you're not having success in the market. Because you're too focused on, and this is not just at you, Nick. This is at everybody. This is like a broad trader thing. Where everybody is looking to do something every single day. Like, what is this doing? What is this? What is this? What, like, what, can we do this? Can we do that? No. I'm so relaxed when I'm trading. Like, people think trading's hard. It's not. You make it hard. Like, seriously, you make it hard. Once you see, like, the strategies and everything that I teach you, once you guys hop into the courses, you're going to be like, this is so simple. Why do people not do this? And it's like, I don't know. They literally just try to do, like, scalp 1-minute candles. They're like, I need to do something. It's like, no, you don't. When I enter a trade, again, I will make some mistakes sometimes, like with crowd, but the vast majority of the time, it's just, oh, I'm in, I have my stop level, I have my take profits, I'm done. Let it go. And then we're good. Baristas? Man. All right, Salesforce. You're going to need to not do this here. I am so bored with trading that tells me why my accounts keep growing. Exactly. Like, is it really fun when I give you guys swings and we all hit them for like 500%? Yes. But it's not like that's the only exciting thing that happens. It's just like, oh, we did what we needed to do. You literally could have just turned off your phone, not watched the stream, have your price alert set, and you're done. Go about your life. That's what like, guys, when I wasn't streaming, that's literally what I did. I would be swinging, I would set my price alerts, and I would just go do other things. I do this for you guys, so that you can have a better insight into what's going on here. Yeah, here comes Palo Alto. Salesforce, you're being an a-hole. Like, you're gonna have to do something here. I just finished with the course, and for the last weeks, I've just been on replay with TradingView backtesting because I can't believe how stupidly easy it is to make so much money with these strategies. Dijon, I appreciate that, buddy. Yes, it is, guys. Trading does not have to be hard. I hope I'm saying your name right there too, pal, but yeah, I appreciate you, man. And again, everybody, you guys get that 50% off deal. What the heck happened here? My chair is breaking. So I can throw that link in here for you guys one more time, but let's focus up. How do you reach that level of confidence where you don't even need to watch it anymore? Because, so one, Chris, I don't know if you're in there, but like when you see the setups, especially for the swings, SCV, you're changing lives, pal. Thanks, Pepe. I appreciate you, man. But this is how you do it, Chris. One, let's talk about it in terms of, like, let's say the day, that's not gonna make so much sense. Well, no, it kind of is. Like, the day trading strategy, you can do the same thing. Like, once we see that our levels are defined and that's the level that we're gonna buy or short off of, and you have your stop, until you hear a sound on your computer, you do nothing. So you just leave it. Once you're entered into the trade, you have your stop, your first take profit, and your second take profit. Okay, you could walk away and then just let it go until it hits your take profit or stop and then cancel the other orders. So again, since it's day trading, it's going to take a little bit less time for things to play out. So yeah, you're going to have to watch it a little bit more, but let's talk about it for the swings. When I enter a swing and I have my price alert set either just above where my stop would be or just below where my take profits would be, I don't have to look at anything. Because if it's chopping around in between, I don't care. I'm not doing anything with the position anyway. So it's not necessarily me having the confidence or comfort to do it. It's just that's what the system is calling for in order for us to hit those 500, 800, 1500% trades. Here comes Palo Alto. The swings take time. You really don't need to babysit them. No, you're right. You don't. You really don't. Like, I'm up 162% on Palo Alto right now, and it's free. I'm waiting for 381 to trade. If it does it, cool. If it doesn't, it doesn't matter. But this is how you have to approach the market, because if you try to scalp, like, just, like, take the in and out, doing all this nonsense, you're gonna get hammered. Not in, like, a good way. In, like, the worst way possible. So let's see. Oh my God, we are 4 likes away from 100 already, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, I appreciate that. Remember, we're live every single day, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. Eastern every time. I'd love to say hi and kind of learn a little bit about some of you guys that are new in here, because I know a lot about the familiar faces in here. But if you guys are new, you guys got any questions? Let me know. I'd love to help you guys out a little. 61% on Carvana. Guys, I can't tell you how freaking proud I am of Wayne. Like, you guys all know, like, Wayne was losing aggressively. Like, bad psychological mistakes, bad risk management. And then what happens? We give him the Swing Kings course, and look at him. Look at him. What was it? 250% on Mara, 61% on Carvana. Just killing it, dude. I'm proud of you, buddy. You're going to get hammered on Sunday? Good for you, Michael. Good for you. All right, we did hit 100 likes, so we'll probably stream for a while longer today. 40% on Salesforce, 73% on Ulta, and guess what? 180% on Palo Alto right now. Thank you very much. 186%. We're ripping. There we go. See? Pay attention or pay a premium, ladies and gentlemen. This one I had sent out to you guys in the Swing Kings course 2 weeks ago, I think. And we were just waiting for it to get the break. It did, and boom, we're ripping. Specialty, what is it? Special teams, special plays, special players. All right. We're looking good on the Palo Altos. I like that. I just want Salesforce to get going, man. I know you gave us the scanner, but where do you release your top picks for the week? So it is an email. If you're not getting the email, check your spam or your promotions area. But what we're going to do is I'm setting up a private Twitter account this week, and I'm going to send you guys the link to it. I'm going to send you guys the link to it in the email this week. But for those of you guys that don't get the email, you're going to have to message me, and then I'll send you the name of the account, and then we'll get all you guys in there, so we're good to go. All right, Salesforce coming back up a little. We've got Palo Alto just going on a moon, not really a moon mission, but a decent mission here. It's not like the Apollo missions. This is more like a, I don't know, a weather balloon, but it's looking good. STLD looks interesting for the watch list. Yeah, I mean, if it's not a stock that I know or I trade all the time, I'm probably not going to touch it. Like, that's kind of the name of the game. I mean, it is stair-stepping. If you get a couple more layers of consolidation next week, Steel Dynamics, all right. I mean, maybe. Palo Alto is, look at this, dude. Oh, man. We might hit our 381 today. Those are up 205% right now. You're welcome. So you want to click the middle one, Swing Kings and the Day Trader one? Yes, Vito. That is going to be the one where you get both of them for the price of one. So it's buy one, get one free or 50% off. SV, I started trading in the market in June of 21, lost a total of $22,000 in 3 years. What advice would you give me to become a better trader? Thank you. Chat advice would also be helpful. Snow is going. Oh, there you go. But I think we got to focus on this question from Nick here, because I think a lot of people are in this situation. How do you get the email? All right, hold on. You guys know the ADHD that I get sometimes with the live chat. I really want to answer Nick's question here, though. Palo Alto's ripping as well. So, what I would say is that you have to completely forget about the money. you have to completely forget about the money, because the money is irrelevant. Even though you and I all know the money isn't, the money isn't actually irrelevant. You have to be able to detach yourself from it. How do you do that? Well, you size a little bit lower. What I do in the way that I approach the market is, and this is probably going to go against what a lot of other people are going to say, but they're all wrong. I like to be right. I like to be right. But I'm also very okay with being wrong. And I'm very good at knowing when I'm wrong. I made a video about this, but again, in kind of feeding it off of that, liking to be right, it's a game. This is a game to me. It's not like this is literally like a game. I have like cookie cutter setups that I rinse and repeat and use in the market, and I know they work over time. It's a game that you can beat. So what I would say is that, one, you have to detach yourself from the money and say, I'm only looking at taking high quality setups. That's it. So for me, I like being right. Now, what are the steps that I need to take in order to put myself in the best position to be correct? Well, following the systems that work. I know that everything that I do in the market works. Took 100% on snow. I have a hard time holding over 100%. Eric, great gains there, man. But that's what you have to be focusing on. It's taking good setups. The money will come with better setups that you take. The problem is, I don't want to say it this way, Nick, but like, the way that I've outlined things in the courses for you guys eliminates all of those mistakes. It just does. Like, that's why they're there. Like, I don't want to say like, oh, just go buy it, it'll help you, because that's not necessarily like what I'm saying. Like, will it help you? Yes. But but you have to have that mental switch to just say, because even if you don't think about the markets in the way that I do, you're still probably going to struggle. So you have to detach yourself from the money and just focus on taking high quality setups. For most of you guys, you lost a lot of your money trying to day trade. That's probably what it is. Anything that you do with day trading, guys, has to be systematic, not discretionary. If you then say anything like, I think this is about to happen in the market, and then you trade off of that, you might as well just like throw your money out the window. I don't day trade every single day, and you guys see that on my Instagram videos. I'm not posting videos all the time. I do not day trade all the time, but it works over time. I don't care that I could trade more and then post more videos on Instagram. I don't care. I care about taking high quality setups that I know print over time. That's all I care about. John, welcome back, buddy, and I'm done for the day. Off to have day beers. There you go. I'm in. Vito, welcome, buddy. So, guys, again, once you are hopping into the courses, if you have any questions on anything, you guys just let me know. You guys shoot me a message on Instagram or Twitter, and I will help you guys out. Just shoot me any questions. I'm always around. Preach, brother. Good talking. Thank you, Morrow. Like, that's the only thing that I'm focused on, taking good trades. And then how do you get the email? Easy money. For the swings, you got to be in the swing trading course. In order to get those emails for the tickers that I'm sending out every single week. There goes Palo Alto again. Can we get some Salesforce above freaking 294, please? That's what I want. I mean, what are these Palo Altos up? 211% right now. I think they were 233 at one point. The Salesforce are up 30%. That's not a bad start. They just expire next week. Would support and resistance or key levels be considered discretionary? Yes. Yes, because it is up to your discretion to determine which key levels are the most important. Because there's going to be a lot of them. You don't know. Because it has to be... So when you think about the way that I trade it in the Day Trading Mastery course, is like, you've seen it where it's like All right, price makes a move. It meets all of the rules. Done. It's not up to me to take the trade or not. It's every single time I'd have to take it. How much are the courses? So if you want both of them, it's $299 for both of them. The Day Trading Mastery course, which is like 24 videos. And then you also get the swing course as well. If you just want the day trading one, there's a 30% off code for it, which is STV30. But the best deal that I have right now is the 50% off one. Top Step or Apex, it depends. Apex is having an 80% off sale right now if you guys want that. But if you're going to trade the way that I do with day trading, don't use Apex, use Top Step. The trailing drawdown will get you. You notice over time, over the short time looking at Ulta, it likes to sell off in the morning and then charge mid to late day. It has been doing that. It has been doing that. And that's one of the reasons why, I mean, you guys saw this here. My initial trade on Ulta was off of the weekly here on this break in the low 480s. I ended up making about 80% on that trade. The reason why I was okay with ditching it and hunting for a re-entry was this. It looked like it wanted to get a break. So then once it broke here, I entered, and now we're making it free and doing great. Did I take the ES long? TP1 was hit? What ES long? There's no way TP1 was hit. What are you talking about? No, because even if it was from here to here, the first TP would be like up here. What are you talking about? I mean, if you made money, good for you. Great job. I just don't see it. And I also don't like trading it off of the data candles. That is one thing we talk about a lot in the when I show you guys every single trade that was taken with it in the year. I should probably record the November and December ones now. I mean, now I don't know. So here's what's like, I didn't really, this is one of the reasons why I didn't want to trade, like do those videos right away, because I knew it would have stopped you out. I don't even think it would qualify. Like, I haven't seen anything qualify today. Dijon is saying, I'm using Top Step with your strategy and I'm almost done with your combine and have killer stats as a trader. All right, can you tell me them? Because Tyler's were awesome. It was like a 40% win rate. Average win on the trades were like $1,100 or something. The average losers were like 200. It was nasty. It wouldn't? Yeah, I'm not seeing an ES trade either, guys. Stop loss was that. All right, Trev, what was the distance between entry and stop? Because I don't see one here, and I would not have taken this. That's, if you hit it, great, but I don't even see where you would have, like, hit a TP. I don't see anything yet. And I probably won't today. Ulta, here we go. Palo Alto looking okay. Salesforce looking all right, too. What does all the Swing Kings in the day trading courses cover? Well, all right, so let's start with the day trading course. And then we got to stop talking about the freaking courses, guys. I know you guys are interested in them, but I mean, it says it on the website. Last talking about the courses, then we're going to focus up. The day trading course, I give you the strategy that it is 14 winning months in a row. We talk about what are futures, how to trade them, what are options, how to trade them, a little bit of Forex in there as well, risk management, psychology. I go through the strategy, and I go through all of the testing and show you every single trade that was taken with it in 2023, just to prove and show you guys the win rate, the stats, and what you should expect when you're trading with this strategy. The swing trading course is I'm teaching you how I'm finding these stocks that are about to explode before they do. So we talk about trading with shares, trading with options, risk management, psychology, everything like that as well. And then in addition, I also, once you're a part of the swing trading course, send you the list of tickers that I'm looking at every single week. We're going to make that easier for you guys too. We're going to have that private Twitter account. But all right, enough on the courses. You guys know the deal. It's 50% off to both of them. Last time I'm putting the link in here. We're done. Let's focus up. Here comes Palo Alto looking good. Ulta looking okay. How are we looking across the board here? Good. I mean, I'm up 4.25% on the day here. Looking solid. How to trade Forex. Step 1. Don't. Yeah, I know. It's just, like, I had to throw a little bit of Forex stuff in there just because some of the people on my, like, Instagram and Twitter love Forex. So it's like, well, you know, you kind of gotta give them a little something, something. You'll show me on X? Yeah, send me that. I want to see what you're looking at there, buddy. Yeah, what are you looking at? Oh, no. Oh, dude. Okay, I get it. I get what you've done here, but that's incorrect. That's not how I would do that at all. That's just not how I would have done that. I'm happy you made money with it, but that's not it there. That's not the strategy. Like, you have to go low to high. You just completely said, screw it, to all of the rest of the price action that's above it. All right, here comes Palo Alto screaming. There we go. Those are up 233% right now. Looking great on those. The Ultas are back up over 100%. That's nice. Well, it hit. I know it hit. Good for you. I mean, you hit it. Is it running up to... Oh, no, you blasted it. That was a double TP you just hit. Oh, there you go. I mean, again, that's not how I would have traded it, and that's not how I teach it, but, I mean, good for you. All right, guys. I got to run to the bathroom really quick. Give me, like, 2 seconds. Everybody, slap that like button on the way in. We already over 100. I am going to stay live a lot longer today. We're going to go till 11, so this is going to be fun. Just give me, like, 2 seconds. I will be right back. Hello. Check Uber. Why do you still every single time I leave you gotta talk about the sketch stuff? Why can't it be when I'm still here? All right, it's very possible that we hit our 381 today on Palo Alto. We're $4 away. It could easily do it. Easily. So, looking great, man. We are looking great across the board. If this thing can get... I'm going to set a little alert there. I'm going to set 2 alerts on Palo Alto. I need 380 and 381. It's hard to just, like, get it on Webull, though. I mean, I could just... That's fine right there. Cool. Workday played out nicely as well. Really? I gave you guys another gem? Who would have thought? Look at us. Oh, look at that guy. That was one from the Swing Kings list as well. So that trade would have looked like the breakup here at 295. Damn, I need to be better at setting my price alerts. So that was the trade here. This is, I believe this is all-time high breakout. Where's your first TP? It's like right here. What's the risk reward on that? It's kind of icky, but that's fine. So that's another one that I gave you guys. There you go. Easy money. Whoa, wait. Hold on. I want to see Dijon's data here. Hold on. Average winning trade with the day trading mastery course strategy, $2,345. That's my... Let's go. That's what we like to see, ladies and gentlemen. Dude, we have been putting on a freaking clinic with everybody. Ulta looking good again. So yeah, I'm probably looking for 537. That's what I'm looking for here. Salesforce being an a-hole today. Workday, great trade there though. Good morning, everyone. What's up, Jay Sharps? How you doing, pal? Let's see. All right, well, we just kind of chill and wait, man. We just wait to see if our levels are going to hit. This one's being annoying. ChargePoint has a setup, or is it just too cheap? And we can take a look. I actually don't hate it. I don't hate that at all. It's just, yeah, it is. It's $2, man. I don't think I'd trade if I were to do anything. Again, if it's like iffy like that, I would just trade shares on it. That's all I would do. What's the high on Ulta here? 522.16. You break that, I think you're gonna have some fun. ES would need to give it some help though. Dude, we are cruising with TLT being just an a-hole to us. Yeah, up nicely on the day. I like that. Yeah, I just wish the Salesforce would, get going. I think it is. I think it's gonna. We'll see, though. I want 300 on it. It's just kind of chugging along. Like, that's fine. It just needs the break. Ulta's gotten its break. Palo Alto has definitely gotten its break. Now it's Salesforce's turn to get going. Other than that, I mean, we're just going to wait around for it. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, market's not doing much. Do we have any more data today? Or Fed speakers? Lori Logan. All right, 130. I mean, we're not going to be doing anything then anyway, but... Yeah, we had such good potential here on Salesforce. There's still time, obviously, but... Palo Alto gets another push. I think we're going to get to that 380 area. Yeah, dude, like... What else did we have this from the Swing Kings watch list this week? I know Crowd and Workday were two of them. What else did we have? I can see if I have it up here. Do I? It might be this one. Yeah, I think it is. TTD invalidated and Netflix I got stopped on at the beginning of the week. So you were out of the 4 that I gave you guys, Workday and Crowd slapped. Netflix was a stop. TTD was never an entry. Another profitable week. Here comes Palo Alto. And then I give you guys snow throughout the week. What else did I give you? I didn't give you, what do you call it? What time frame am I on right now? Daily. When I go to ES, though, that's on the 15-minute. Can I look at FTV? Yeah, I don't know what that is, but sure. That looks good. That looks nasty. Oh, no, this looks dirty. This looks dirty. I bet the chain is terrible, but I would not hate this with some shares. How's the chain on it? They just had earnings. Oh, this is perfect. Remember how I talked with you guys in the swing course about the post earnings one? One of them. Here it is right here. It's only got monthlies on here, so these spreads are gonna be, yeah. That's a shares one. What would the range look like on Etsy? Let's take a look. That's breaking today. That's you would have taken the entry here. So this is the problem with some of them, and this is what we're going to talk about in the mastermind as well. Like, this isn't like yes, it's consolidating, but it's also trending down a little bit. So even though I hate them, that is just trend line break. Did I see Josue bought a McLaren? He bought one? Oh, good for him, man. Good for him. That's pretty sick. But he was looking at one and posted it to the Discord. Nice. Here comes Palo Alto. McLarens are great rental cars. Yeah, I personally, I probably wouldn't want to own one just because you need two of them. One of them always in the shop. But, I mean, again, I'm not going to hate on anybody for buying a freaking McLaren. It's epic. Up 5% on the day here, looking good. The Palo Altos are up 236%. Ultas are up 123%. Salesforces are up 36%. So let's see what we get here. I mean, these Palo Altos, if they get up to 381, these are going to be well over 300%. Thanks for the clarification. Yeah, no problem. It's just, again, and then again on Etsy, I would have just traded the shares on it. Because it's like, the premiums are just ridiculous. He's only a year or two older than you. Crazy to think that's closer than we all think. Yeah, Tyler, I think with the way that you're going to approach some of these swings, you got it, dude. The 765 is one of his favorite cars. It probably is. It's fast. It's cool. But they're also just going to break. So you just got to be fine with having them break. Oh, on Turo? Yeah, I bet they do. Especially in, like, Miami or something. Dude, Salesforce, get your head out of your a-hole. Come on. Have I ever told you that, like I knew about AT way before, like, years before ever, like, he blew up? Like, on his old Twitter accounts. Like, we would go back and forth. Like, I knew that dude was going to go nuts. I think I started in, like, maybe it was 21. I think I found out about 21, and I was like, this is hilarious. All supercars break, that's why you need to have a few of them. That's also true. Like, people complain about McLarens because maybe they break slightly more than the other ones, but, like, they all break. All right, Salesforce is starting to get some legs under it here. That would be nice. Really? Yeah, dude. And then oops, that was nonsense. And then all of the accounts would get banned. And I'd be like, well, there it goes. I mean, a lot of the time it would be like, we'd go back and forth for like a couple minutes, and then it's like, join this. And I'm like, dude, I'm not doing that. I was like, I'm not doing that. Sorry. It's like, I don't really need to be doing that. So, all right, here comes Ulta looking great. Palo Alto looking phenomenal. Oh, guys, we're having a day. We're having a day here. What are we up on the account right now? 5.5% on the day. Thank you. You can't have Ferrari speed and expect Honda reliability. That's true. AMD wants the smoke. I don't think she does, man. I'm not touching that. I don't hate it. I just don't really. That's not A+. Ulta popped? Yeah, there we go. There we go. Somebody's saying AMC. That stock is garbage, dude. I tried to warn all of you guys, and you said, no, screw you. I'm going to listen to the people with an IQ of 4. Okay, how'd that work out? Pretty bad. Let's see. Any good earnings next week? Probably. I don't know. I mean, I'd have to take a look at it. I'd have to take a look. Acura NSX was Ferrari performance with Honda reliability. GTRs. If you're going to get a GTR, just get an R8. I mean, GTRs, you could like set them up to go. I've seen some pretty crazy modified GTRs. AMC is on a moon rocket. If you flip the chart upside down, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? I'm going to do this one time, and then we're going to focus back up to the things that really matter. Let's see. What's it up? What's it up? 8%? Look at the daily chart. Look at the daily chart. Where did I tell you? Where's 180? Where's 180? Where's 180? I told you here. It's daytime, so the moon is down. Yeah. What do we have here? Palo Alto. Let's get back to stuff that matters. Ripping, dude. Ripping, making money. You're in the markets this year, you know AMC was a thing. Yeah. Yeah, that sucks. I mean, again, I tried to help people, man. Let's see. Are there still people who believe AMC is going to do something? There are. It's crazy. You don't like the R8s? A C8? C8s are pretty cool. Oh, you got it at the lows? Hey, if you bought it at the lows, good for you, man. Good for you. You're making money. That's all I care about. Making money. If you're making money, you're doing good. If you think... When are you going to sell, though? San Francisco 49ers, when are you going to sell? That's my question. You got it at the lows? All right, where's your target? Where are you going to sell? Oh, here we go. Let's see. Ulta, I mean, it broke. It's just not holding. Salesforce coming back up. I like that. Palo Alto. Dude, look at this. What are these up now? 250% or something? 238? Oh, come on. What's that? Give me 10K. It's consolidating? What is? Breaking news, Biden forgot he talked about his memory yesterday. No way. Hold on. Is that real? Ralph, if that's real, I'm going to be so happy about that. That's so funny. That is so funny. The C8. I mean, I'm not like the biggest fan of them, but I appreciate the car. I love the V8 Vantages. I love those. I might get one when I go to Florida. Just a daily and just hang around with it. You don't like Audi? I don't like Audi either, bro. The amount of money that I had to put in that car? It's ridiculous. Love the delay. How bad's the delay? It's probably only like 10 seconds at most. You know what I love? All right, go look up this car. Oh, shoot. What's it called? It's called... Shoot, hold on. Let me find it. This is the car I want. And I'm going to make it street legal. It's called something weird. But it's epic. It's one of the coolest cars I've ever seen. All right. It's called the Lamborghini Huracan Super Trofeo Evo 2. The sound is amazing. On what? Oh, Jaguar? Yeah, those are cool. BMW over Audi. Those break too. PayPal? What's up with PayPal? That thing was in the garbage. Yeah, no, I'm not touching that. I'm not touching that. Oh, your friend? Let's see. I'll stop counting after you read this to the time delay. Yeah, but I'm not going to... How about this? I don't know how we do this. Just whatever. You guys should all have your price alerts set. It's not about me telling you when it's going. You guys are helpful in telling me telling everybody else when things go. You should already have your price alerts set on things. It's not up to me to tell you when they're breaking. You guys that have been through the courses, you're now self-sufficient. You're good to go. You don't need me. Ever. Here comes Palo Alto. There we go. New highs. New highs. There's no way there's a 35-second delay. That's crazy. Maybe it's because when I click go live on OBS and then click go live on YouTube, it just like starts with a delay. All right, I'm up 253% on Palo Alto. Again, I have alerts set up here, so one of them's at right around 380, and then the other one's just below 381, because I want to be able to prepare for it getting up there. I haven't seen those, but the Super Trofeo Evo 2 is the coolest freaking car, because it's a race car, but you can convert it to being street legal, and it's all carbon. Or there is a package where it's all carbon. It's insane. And they're like 200 grand. Nothing. For that, I thought that car was going to be like 1.2 million. Prices, 200 to 250 grand. You're going to be taking trades and then racing your supercars on the track since you have your price alerts? Exactly. If you were trading shares, you literally could just go and not even look at your phone ever. You just have your alert set up and it hits. That car's pretty dope. Yeah, that car's sick. Yeah. 256% on the Palo Altos, 123% on the Ultas, 36% on the CRMs right now, looking good. What would be a long-term investment? Depends on what you want. I can't really tell you what to do. Would SoFi be a good long-term investment? Well, when rates come down, SoFi should do well. When rates come down, SoFi should do well. So, I mean, I've considered grabbing some leaps on it, doing some stuff like that, but do I really need to when I'm hitting like 260% trades? No. Like, guys, keep it simple. I'm up 6% on the day right now, and I've done nothing. Zero. I just sat here with you guys. I've done nothing. I'm just hanging out. We did our research. I sent you guys the swing list. We found some other stuff this week, and we're good to go. You're going to buy a Pagani with the swing strategy? I've met Horatio before. I've talked to him. He's a cool guy. He doesn't really speak English, though, so it's hard to talk to him. It's very difficult to talk to him. But very cool guy. Who else have I met? Oh, Glickenhaus. I've met him. You know the guy with the Ferrari P45 and the other one? I've met him. He's a cool guy. Track day would cost you minimum $2,500 a day. Something I do track day twice a year. Tires and brakes. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's super expensive. Storing the car, transportation, like, it's ridiculous. All right, we're getting close there on Palo Alto, man. Here we go, up 7% on the day now. Is Ulta running? Is that why? Oh, no, Salesforce is coming up. Here comes Salesforce. We're up 46% on those right now. New here, do you call out trades? I mean, not sometimes. I mean, if something happens during the stream, I'll do it. But you guys already all of the. But Jim, welcome. What we do a lot of here is breaking down markets so that you can understand a lot better. Following other people trading is never going to help you. And again, even if I gave you every single trade that I'm taking, which I basically do in the swing trading course, I just give you guys the watch list, and you know, you guys then know what to do. But even if I were to do that for you, you learn nothing. My whole entire goal for you guys is to be self-sufficient. And that's why the courses are crafted in the way that they are. Because remember, I'm leaving at some point this year and I'm never coming back. No more YouTube. So when we do these masterminds and I give you these strategies, like, you're all self-sufficient and it's good. Will I sometimes call things out that, like, if I'm on the stream and one of these trades breaks my levels and I'm entering, I will. I'm not going to say exactly what I'm getting because that's illegal. Like, that's not what we're here to do. But, SV, do you get both the day trading course and the swing trading course for $299 total? Yes. If you click the all-in-one package, Nick, you get both of them. But if you're doing track days and supercars, then you don't really care about 2,500? No, you don't. Well, honestly, though, you kind of do. Like, that's the thing that people don't realize. Like, the wealthy, they don't, like, if you're ripping supercars and stuff, like, you kind of got to be a real dum-dum to be like, oh, I don't care about $2,500. $2,500 is still $2,500. It doesn't change. Just because you have more of it doesn't mean that like you, and they're some of the most, I don't want to say like they're just like aware of it. Like they're just more aware. It's not like they're going to be like, oh, 10 grand, whatever. Like, no. People still understand. They're not just like, oh, willy-nilly doing stuff. Now, there are other people that don't care. And they're like, I'm going to go spend $100 million on a house. And it's like, all right, do what you got to do. I was having a conversation with somebody the other day. And they go, oh, yeah, he's only worth like, I don't know, $4.5 billion or something. And my response was, what a peasant. I'm just kidding. Like, dude, it's just different. Like, people are different out there, man. And that's one of the things that I don't think a lot of people realize is, like, the amount of money out there. And especially if you guys are new to the stream, like, I do a lot of other things. Like, I know a lot of cool people. I've been around for a while. I've been doing this since I'm 14, and I know I've been able to meet and learn from some of like the most successful people that have like done this. Some of them you will see on CNBC a lot. So, do I have a Discord in classes? No. So Nick, here's kind of how it works. Once you guys get the courses, if you have any questions about them, you can just, what do you call it? Message me and I'll answer every time. And then what we do on the streams here is, like, if you guys need help with stuff and need, like, more questions answered and walking through some things, that's what we do here. But no Discord. There's no need for you guys to ever pay me every single month. It's just one time and you're good to go. And I'll tell you guys right now, like, when you first start making, like, boatloads of money, you got to be careful. Because you're going into, you almost have to, like, just not think it's real. Like, I do that with a lot of the, oh, this is a good example. The long-term investment account that I have, the big one that I tell you guys about, where like the AMD, my average on AMD is like 1139, like that big one. I don't even think that that's real. Like, it's not even real. Like, I'm like, I don't care. It doesn't matter. I'm not using it now. I'm not screwing around with it. I should not. And to me, I almost craft it in a way where it's like, it is mine, but it's not. Like, I just think about it as if it's just there. It's like, cool, great. I don't, like, I'm not like, oh, nice. Like, I don't know. It's just the way that I think about it. CRM back up to 394. That's what we want to see. Palo Alto is getting real close. Okay, thank you. No problem, Nick. Yeah, and then you guys can let Nick know, too. Like, if you, I answer all, when you guys DM me, I answer, right? Like on Twitter and Instagram. Because I don't want anybody to be nervous thinking I'm, oh, that's a good question, Nick. Nick's asking, for those who have purchased the courses, has it helped you greatly? Team, course members, let them know. Let them know. I'm now up 8.5% on the day. It's for another time, exactly. Da Vinci from the Bitcoin channel in Dubai went to go see a house, 60 million to purchase. How do you just not writing covered calls on that? Because you're creating taxable events and might sell things before you want to. The point of it isn't for covered calls. The point of it is for growth. Romeo says yes for the question with Nick, I think. But there is a delay, Nick, so people might be taking time to write their answers here. Pepe says it's been life-changing. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. Here comes Ulta. There we go. There goes CRM. Made the money back from both courses. There you go. Dijon says the courses will definitely move you to a whole new level of trading. Definitely helps, says Dr. Bob. Thank you, buddy. As a Canadian, what can I use for charting on your MacBook? Charting, TradingView. Wayne says it's amazing. Thank you. Romeo, no comparison for me. Solid gains consistently, less work, and I'm keeping the gains. Wayne says it helped him a ton. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. That's the goal with them. Again, they're not like these other courses out there that are thousands of dollars. Like $300 for both of them, and you guys are all good to go. You like Kava long? I kind of do too. I did. I don't know if this was I think it was here we were looking at this, Ralph, last week. Like last week I was looking at this and like I kind of liked it, but I don't know. It'd be more of a shares trade for me, I think, on Kava. You're thinking about buying both courses? Easy money. We'd love to have you in there, man. This one Pan W trade paid for both courses. Thank you, Boric. I'm happy you nailed it, man. It will literally change your life. Thank you, Tyler. Yeah, the Palo Alto trade's looking great. Are we getting up? Are we getting up to that target? Yeah, we're close, man. We are close. I'm up 8.5% on the day. Absolutely worth it. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. I'll throw the link in here one more time for you guys, though. But the most, again, I know you guys really, really enjoy the value that you're receiving from the courses, but the mastermind is going to take it to a whole nother level. Like, I was reading through some of the PowerPoints that I was making for you guys, and it's ridiculous. You're signing up now, STV. Thank you. Nick, love to have you in there, buddy. You think you're going to jump into the courses also? Hallen, there you go. Again, all of you guys, too, are also going to get first access to the mastermind and the discount as well. Rands, wish you could be in a room with me and Gabe. Your dyslexic mind scares you. Dude, if you had me and Gabe in a room with you just helping you how to trade, you'd be a monster. We do things, like, in slightly different ways. But, like, when you combine the two, it's nasty. Give Nick the coupon code? Which one? No, he's getting the 50% off one. You want the mastermind so bad you don't want to miss it? You're not going to. You guys, so here's what we're going to do. I know there's going to be some nonsense with the emails that are going to get sent out. I'm going to give all of you guys that have been in the courses like 4 days before I send it out to the other like 40, it's almost 4,700 people now that want it. There's only going to be 100 to 150 spots. If you're only 16, will you be able to use a custodial account for the type of trading that you're doing? Yes. Dude, we got a 16-year-old in here. I love this. I love this so much. Easy money. What I want you to do, this is awesome. I love this. I started really learning when I was 14. So, it's why you went to college but never got the information so targeted like this. Do you just click the link at the top of the chat? Yeah, I threw it in the chat as well too, Nick. But here's what I want you to focus on, easy money. You're 16 years old. I'm 24. If you can get yourself to even like 50 to 60% of the things that I know now by the time that you're 18, by the time you're my age, you're never going to have to worry about anything ever again. But the only way to do it, and I'm going to tell you this right now, is do not care about the money. Do not try and make money, okay? Like, you're a kid. You have nothing to spend money on. You might. I don't know your situation. You might have to do things. I don't know. But in general, most kids do not have to spend money on things. Where's the link for the courses? I'll throw it in the live chat again. I don't know why you guys are missing it. It's pinned to the top of the live chat. And in easy money, that is the most important thing. What I was saying at the beginning of the stream was all right, Salesforce is ripping. Are we up there on Palo Alto now? Yeah, we're getting there. I got to watch that. Yeah, I got to get ready to sell these. I'm up 284% right now on them. All right, so what you have to focus on is treating it like a game. Your only goal in the market is focusing on taking good trades. The money will come. Think about it like this. You're not 21. You cannot go to the club and have fun. You also cannot really buy houses. You have 2 years until you can start buying houses. Unless you can get what do you call it? You only have one payment for a truck each month. Awesome. Exactly. Everybody's situation is different, but in general, most people don't have like crazy expenses as 16-year-olds. What I want you to do, and I used to tell this to Tyler all the time when he was 16. You gotta focus on just the process of it. And I would honestly say focus on swing trading. For you. Focus on swing trading. Small accounts, it's a lot easier to run it up quickly. Ulta's pushing higher. Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. There we go, guys. Look at this. We got Salesforce ripping. We've got Palo Alto printing for us here. And we got Ulta ripping as well. So even with my little mess up with crowd, I'm up, 10% on the day right here. Like easy, I would also say to you too, paper trade the strategies, like demo, for a few months. Like I'm going to hand you like, I wish I was going to be around for longer, but I'm gonna hand you like certain trades and like on the watch list that I want you to watch and see how they play out. This Ulta one is great. This Palo Alto one is phenomenal. This Salesforce one is still cooking for us. How did I plot the take profit levels on Palo Alto? I'm looking. Okay, so this is since we gapped up over the range, I use the 5-minute opening range break for it. So if you go back 2 days, the range of this right here is my stop. So my entry is right around here at 357. The stop was down here at 349. So if you take the distance of this is about 1 to 3 risk to reward. That's typically what I'm gonna do if we see those breaks. Be careful pitching stuff to a 16-year-old. I mean, I'm not pitching anything to him. I'm telling him the only way if he wants to have success doing this is you cannot focus on the money. Do not try and be one of those people on the internet that's like, oh my God, I have a Lambo at 18. Don't do that. Just knowing about markets at your age and having a little bit of understanding sets you so far ahead of everybody else. It's insane. With the courses, my question is, I have a full-time job, so it's hard to day trade. Is the swing course the one you should buy, or do you recommend both of them anyways? Well, you don't actually have to take, like, the day trading course the strategy in it does not take very much time throughout the day. It really doesn't. Like, it probably takes me maybe 30, 40 minutes. Like, if you could just have a chart up somewhere and just look at it, you're fine. You could easily use that. And you're good to go. You invested about $60 in Nvidia a few weeks ago, then have been paper trading for 3 months. How big of capital do I need to start with swing trading? Well, Tyler loaded his swing account with $200. It's all risk management. It's all just math at the end of the day. With the ability to buy fractional shares these days, it makes it a whole lot easier to swing shares with small accounts. Like, you probably shouldn't just jump right into options. And a lot of the time, too, you'll make more long-term sustained gains by trading the shares over options. I just like doing it because it's less capital outlay. And I can trade. Like, think about it like that. This week, if I wanted to trade the Roblox one, Crowd, Snow, Salesforce, Palo Alto, Ulta, 6 trades, like, I'd have to go into margin and do it. With options, I can outlay less capital with the same percentage risk. That's the only time that you would want to choose options over shares, really. Just sold your Palo Altos this month. Your account is up 250.8% still in Ulta. Great work, guys. Great work. Thank God somebody pitched me at 14 that business made me my first million when the million actually mattered. Never too early for great advice. Exactly. Yeah, I'm just using fractional shares, but the annoying part is I need to use like your entire account. Yeah, see, that's going to be the annoying part. All right, we're up 62% on the Salesforces, 152% on the Ultas, and 278% on the Palo Altos. If Palo Alto can get to 281 today, I'll ditch a little bit of them. So do you use TradingView for swing trading? TradingView is the charting platform. Easy Money, what broker are you using right now? Because obviously you're going to have a custodial account, but what broker are you using right now? Yeah, but Boric, that's awesome, man. Congratulations to all of you guys making the gains, man. I mean, it's been seeing your messages all the time about how much money you're making with these strategies and things. It just makes my whole entire year, man. Tyler placed his first trade yesterday, and you're already up 2% on the account. Let's see. SV, I just signed up and paid in full. Do I access the information through your email? Yeah, you should. You should get an email, or it should say right as you signed up. It should say like start here, and then you can click and log in. You have your login to the whole portal and everything. You think Spy's hitting 500 today? Didn't it already do that? I thought it already did. Pre-market is at 501. Where are we at right now? I mean, you just came up to like 2 cents away from it. So, I mean, I would say it's pretty likely. Yeah, it should be in your email though, Nick. I'd love to see Palo Alto get up there. Using Acorns. But for paper trading using TradingView. I think that's good. I think that's fine. The paper account? Yeah. Doing it on TradingView is not the end of the world. Again, it doesn't really... You could throw $1 million into the paper account, but the only thing that you really should be focusing on is how much you're risking per trade, and think about percentages. So it's like, all right, well, if you risk 1 to 2% on the trade, with $1 million paper account, you're risking 10 to 20 grand, but it's still 1 to 2%. Telly... Ulta looks all right here. How did you plot your TPs with PanW? I already told you that. Did you miss that, Tyler? The 5-minute opening range and using... I thought we just went over that. Or did Tor ask that? Well, I thought you already asked that. Because it was the 5-minute opening range. So whatever the high and low of that candle is, multiply it by 3. That's that TP area. Killed your Rumble call. Your Spirit Airlines one was for $7.50 on February 16th. That one isn't looking great. Well, I mean, we can take a look at the chart, but if it's not looking great, it's probably not looking like how I would trade it, you know? And it's not. Simple as that. Rumble was good, though. Rumble, I mean, I didn't like it just because of the volatility on there, but it looked okay. You still hunting for that pullback, squirrel? Please don't be trying to catch the, you know. All right, Ulta, little pop. Like, don't blow money trying to catch the reversal, please. All right, here comes Palo Alto again. Hold on. All right. When you're 18, would it be a good idea to try to pass prop firm challenges and get funding? Sure. Sure, there's no harm in that. You're not gonna be able to swing trade with them, but if you wanna use the day trading strategy on it, go for it. All right, I'm getting a lot of messages from you guys now too. I'm trying to respond and make sure I don't forget anything. When I finish all the day trading videos, will it automatically bring me to the swing trading classes? No, you probably got to go back to like that home area, and then it'll show up as like a different course. It'll show up as like the swing trading mastery course. You click on that, and then you can go through all the videos in there. Because it's not one. It's like you get 2 of them. Yeah, so the Ulta's already free. I'm hunting 537 there. Like, that's a big move for the next week, but we'll see what happens with it. We will see what happens with it. All right. Ulta looking great. Salesforce coming down a little. Palo Alto did as well. That's fine. I mean, it's right there, guys. Like, we are really close to hitting that today. And it's still early. It's still early. TLT, you're just being an a-hole. Come on now. ES is looking at, that's like the rejection off of SPY 500. So that's the next one. It's SPX. I believe SPX is over 5,000 right now, isn't it? Yeah, so SPX is over 5,000. The last thing that needs to go is SPY clearly breaking 500, and that's it. Then if we close all three, so ES was the first to do it. We had ES crack 5,000. Then we had SPX. If SPY can crack 500 and close, we're good. Tyler, let me, hold on. I'll go through it again. Well, I already covered it, but hold on. Let me do it again. You go to the 5-minute. Because since it gapped over our level here, this is the 5-minute opening range. So you have up here at like 357. You have down here at 349. What is that? It's about $8. So 8 times 3 or whatever, 8 times 3. 24. So then you do 24 plus 357. What does that give you? Well, 381. When you pay 300 for both courses, how much time of the day will it take you go to school and go to work? Take you to trade? Not long at all. It's going to be a lot easier for you to swing trade, though. Because your teachers are probably not going to let you, like, be on your phone. So it'll be a lot easier for you to swing trade. Any advice on how to get the most out of the videos? Just trying to learn as much as possible. So what I would say, Nick, is watch the videos. Take notes on them. Treat every video as the most important video. Make sure you're paying attention, because everything that I put in that course is very well crafted, and everything is important. There's no fluff in there. There's no nothing. Like, it's just every single thing in there is very important. Now, the other thing that I would say is that if you are confused or had questions on anything, just message me and I will help you out. You just had a higher level on the chart, so I was confused. Yeah, that was me messing up the math on it. I was using like a different, like I just messed up the math on it. So this 390 should not, that's also my strike. So Ulta, here we go. Cruising. You hit the amount to pass the Apex funded account now. You have to wait 4 more days. But hey, you got funded. Oh yeah, and then Apex is having that 80% off sale right now if you guys want it. The link is in the description. Take notes like it's a college lecture. Yeah. But yeah, like, you guys have questions, message me. I'm always around. Don't, like, there's no stupid questions. Dude, you guys ran up the like button today too. I appreciate you guys. Palo Alto coming down. But Ulta just doesn't care. So you'd have 1 TP for, well, so kind of here's how I did it too, Tyler. With that Ulta, so there was a little bit more nonsense with the Palo Alto in the crowd. So I was really going in thinking, I just want to make it free, quick, and then have a position that I can then manage further. So that 1 to 3 on the actual chart is now going to be that take profit on the remaining position that's already free. Like, because it wasn't clean. The setup was still great. It just wasn't like since we gapped above the levels and I had to use the 5-minute opening range and do a bunch of other nonsense with it, going into all-time highs, there's no levels you can target. Like, I treated that one a little bit differently because it's not textbook, if that makes sense. Your friend and I had the idea to start learning to trade in October, and I've been learning ever since. This has helped a lot. Thank you. Easy money. No problem, man. Make sure you're following me on Twitter and Instagram. It's short to VIX1. And then you guys will, you'll be able to message me at any time if you have questions. Will the courses be there forever? Will they be gone when you leave? No, they'll be there forever. I'm not going to, like, delete the thing. I'll probably still have to pay for the service, but, like, whatever, dude. I don't care. Yeah, so Tyler, it's not necessarily 1 TP. Like, I would target my strike 390 after. Like, if we hit today, like, if we were to go up and hit that 381, I would then just target my strike and then be done. Ulta coming down, TLT getting hit. What's ES doing? ES is, oh, that's the SPY. It's gonna look the same as ES, but that's Eversource, not the right one. There we go. Probably nothing howling them. Probably nothing. Is that like AMC Networks, like the television station? So what made you get that strike that high? Just pricing of them. I liked the prices on it. I liked how the contract, I liked the drop off on the pricing. Again, they're sized for 0 too, so I mean, what percent was that out of the money when I was looking for it? It was probably like 10. Let's look. So I got it, let's say, probably here, 354, let's say. Yeah, 10% out of the money, that's not bad. Should I be on the courses in paper trading then when you feel comfortable, ease into the market? Yes. Yes, that's the smart way to do things, easy money. But, I mean, you'll learn a lot from these streams, too. Will those courses help you out a lot? Yeah, they will. Will you still be sending out alerts and available to answer questions after you abandon us? You guys will be able to message me. I'll be, like, you guys, like, say something. I don't know. We'll see. Like, there might be something where I, like, not come back, but, like, the content is slightly different. But there will be a whole video breaking everything down. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. Palo Alto just sold off of those highs, about $2 there. It's a little annoying, but whatever. Salesforce looking good. I want sales 300. I mean, it says 300.04, but like it's 300. If Salesforce hits 300, I'm out of some of them. And then we're good to go. Ulta, again, you guys know the target on it. It's coming down a little, but it's fine. Telly getting hit. And then you guys also know the plan with TLT. Hey, ES is ripping. Why are we not going too? Come on. Come on. Come on, let's do something here. You don't receive the newsletters anymore? That's weird. I send them out every week. Huh. You started watching yesterday with your friend, and I've already learned so much. Easy money. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. SPY hit 500. Well, there we go. Let's freaking run then. Come on, let's go. That totally sucks. I know. Sorry. Sorry. It's later this year. Later this year, I'll be going. And this isn't one of those things where it's like, I'm leaving. Oh, I come back. No. You guys know me. I don't do that nonsense. Why? Come on. What are we doing here? Palo Alto and Salesforce and Ulta. Come on. Will it keep the courses up after I leave YouTube? Yes. Courses will stay up. And you guys will also, those of you guys in the mastermind will have access to those videos forever as well. We are having preemptive separation anxiety. It's okay. It's gotta happen. Let's all right. I mean, would I like Salesforce to hit 300 today? Yes, I would. Is it gonna? Do we have any bond auctions today? Where am I going? I'll explain it. Don't worry. Some of you guys might be able to get a little involved. But more on that later. You scalped ES once after exiting your trades and still hanging around. Gonna wait for a trade design to be done for the day? What do you mean? Oh, like Titan? Nice. Dude, somebody's got to tell me what Malaysian support and resistance are because people keep commenting on my Instagram videos and I have no idea what they're talking about. Literally nobody. When you leave YouTube, will you still be on Insta and Twitter? I'll be around to answer questions probably. Like if you want to message me and stuff, I will be, but I won't be as active. You're going to get your friend to swing with us? Pause. He got into trading a little, maybe a year ago. I'm piquing his interest with swinging. Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah, Tyler? Oh, yeah? Gonna be on OnlyFans? You wish. You wish. All those dudes in my DMs all the time? Am I gonna become a Miami crypto bro? Hell no. Those people just like freak me out. You're such a tease. You know who's not a tease? The dudes that are messaging me in my DMs all the time. It's like, all right, this is weird. I don't like this. Leave me alone. I'm not a piece of meat. Special teams, special plays. Oh, that would be cool. All right, things are settling in here. Still up real nice on the bay. Am I going on cable? Well, no. Sorry about all those DMs. Oh, it was you? Oh, it was you doing that? Well, my ankles are legendary. They are. Being a meat when ankles, get the stream to 250 likes in the next 4 minutes and you can see the ankles. How about that? How about that? All right. Can we stop committing crimes outside? Please. Please, can we stop committing crimes? That'd be great, you know? Look at them. Look at them outside. Committing crimes. Unproductive members of society out there. Looking to buy the course this weekend and invest in some knowledge? There we go, Jamesy boy. You got any questions about anything once you hop in? You let me know. You gonna get a yacht and cruise around the world while trading? There will be boats involved, I think, and planes. Probably. Some planes, some boats, some cars, you know? SB is forming a company called Stratton Oakmont. They can trace their beginnings from the people that came over on the Mayflower. That was good, Dave. That was a good one. Please commit crimes indoors. No, commit no crimes. No crimes. Stop committing crimes. Be productive. Your exit on MNQ and MES was at the top. Nice. We just need to focus on our crimes in here. You mean stealing from the market? The market gives and the market takes. Me, I only take. I'm the evil Jim Simons. No, I'm just kidding. They're after the people who touch ankles. Yeah, man, they are. They're after you guys, is what they are. They're after all of you people in here. Palo Alto, you're disappointing your bloodline. Will I keep trading? Yep. Yep, I will be trading. Of course I will. Why wouldn't I? I love trading, man. Just a little crime? No crimes. Jaywalking? That's fine. You know me. Accidental international drug smuggler and... Just kidding. It was coca leaves. It wasn't anything crazy. And then watching people smoke crack every day when I was 14... Tell the government to stop committing crimes. They're not going to listen to me, you know? Why would they listen to me? Hey, don't do crime. Huh. All right, kid. Stream still going? Yeah, you got like 2 minutes left. You sent email notifications about the swing ideas now you pay for the course? Yeah, Sunday you're going to get the email on the watch list for the week. So when I go through everything, I might do that today. I might go through everything today just... Because, wait, what am I doing tomorrow? I probably should get that done today. I did it on Friday last week, and it was nice because I could sleep in and not have to, you know, like spend like 2 hours writing the newsletter for you guys in the what do you call it? In the swing list. But I also got to make that private Twitter for you guys so that we don't have this thing where like, oops, I didn't get an email, and then I got to just like send all of you guys the ticker list every week. Which, again, you guys should have it. It's just annoying for me. You want the master course? You mean the mastermind or the day trading mastery course? Because that's still around right now. Crime, what's the ROI on that? Infinite. Until you get caught, and then it's finite. Let's see. Ulta coming down. That's no fun. Palo Alto still hanging out at the highs there. That's not bad. On the Apex platform, each package is a certain amount of contracts. Is that all you can purchase before you make the target amount? How does that work? That's how many contracts you can have open at one time. So if the limit is 10, you shouldn't, but you can trade 10 contracts at a time. Now, let's say that you had 5 on like NQ and then you wanted to trade 6 on ES. You can't do that. That's a no-no. Thanks for another great week. Have a good one, STV. You too, man. You already got the other 2, Morrow. Great, man. So, team, it's 11. You guys hit the like threshold really quick today. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. So, again, 50% on the courses is still going. I'll throw that link in the live chat one last time. If you miss it, it's pinned to the top and in the description. You guys will be getting your list this weekend. Don't do anything stupid during the Super Bowl, please. Just nobody do anything dumb. All right? We got a lot of good things to do next week. So, team, I will see you guys in there. I'll be around all weekend to answer any of your guys' questions while I'm out and about anything that you have questions on with the courses. But, team, what a great week, man. What a great week. What did we have? We had CrowdStrike printing. Tesla, I screwed up on it. And that one I didn't really tell you guys about. Netflix was a stop. Then we had Ulta print, Palo Alto print. Salesforce is doing good. What else? Snow did really good. Rebecca's hot. All right, guys. I will see you later. Hit that like on the way out. Peace.